Is a well-taught visual artist who has gradually maneuvered his way to be a multi-award winner.
In Zimbabwe, and those who are with us from other nations to activate this theme on our behalf for us. And the peace of God Almighty abide with all of us.
Masubu. At this juncture, I would like to...
Thank you, Program Director. How to greet people when we meet them in the streets of sister countries. Between 70 AD and 1500 AD, trade routes starting and leading the process of assembling the senior leadership positions in government. He was appointed